Let me show you how we can enter and exit the recovery mode on the Samsung Galaxy S26. You need to prepare a laptop or a computer and also a USB cable because we'll have to connect your phone to a computer or a laptop. But first, we're gonna turn off our phone. So I'm gonna use the power button and volume down button at the same time to open the power menu. You can also, of course, find the power button in quick settings as well. So let's tap over here and let's shut down the phone. Also, you want to wait for the phone to completely turn off, which is usually indicated with a vibration. So once you feel that, you can be certain that the phone is completely off. Now we're gonna connect our phone to the computer with the USB cable. And once you do that, once you plug it in, you want to immediately press and hold the power button and volume up button at the same time. And once you see the Samsung logo, you can let go of the power button and just hold volume up. So I'm gonna plug it in and then power and volume up. We're gonna press and hold both of these buttons. Now I see Samsung logo, so I can hold just volume up. And there we go. As you can see, right now we are in the Android recovery. Now in here in this menu, we navigate by using volume button, so we can use volume down and volume up in order to move up or down. And then once you have your option selected, you want to confirm it by pressing the power button. And if you want to exit the recovery mode, then you can just simply use the reboot system now option. So I'm just gonna press the power button and there we go. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.